When we first rescued T, he didn't know where he was. He'd come from a horrible situation, and now he was introduced to all these new people, none of which he could see. He was cautious at first, but even then, even when he was scared, he had this glow about him and this happiness that is always what made T special.
Where are you?
T definitely felt loved here and was loved here by his friends, the people that were able to take the time to, get to know him and go through that process. He had some devoted followers. And then even people who maybe weren't able to be able to come in and meet him in his yard, loved him. They loved seeing him every time they drove by his yard. And he was just a very well-known person at Posados and very, very much loved.
Happy birthday!
Dogs give us so much loyalty, and we don't, as humans, we don't always return it. At Posados Safe Haven, the people that cared for T, they gave that loyalty that dogs deserve. And I'm proud that we were able to do that, and all of the people that knew him, the people that loved him, that wanted to know him better and cared about him. They say that you die like you live, and T died peacefully, surrounded by his friends. And that's how he was supported throughout his time at Posados Safe Haven.